What's up, guys? It is a beautiful day, as Michael just said. We are going to install a new exhaust on Andrew's car, and he's gonna tune it. Who's the tuner? Is it Troy with Panda Motorworks? And the exhaust is what again? MBRP?
Yep.
MBRP. MBRP Exhaust. We're gonna install that puppy. We'll get some before and after shots for you guys so you can know what the exhaust sounds like, because I know you're dying. So we'll check it out.
They're backwards. Wait, what? Hold on.
So the wheels go this way.
This is it.
Yeah, I'm an idiot. We're good.
Big pads for heavy flow.
Give her some revs.
Noise.
Noise! 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 Noise!
Yes.
This is behind the rear suspension, so I'm just going to cut it like right here. I think that's a good spot. And we can
Yeah,
just...
so we'll have to cut twice then.
Why?
Because we also got to cut up there.
No, we just take the V-band off up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we take the V-band off up there, we cut it right here, and that allows this section to come out.
Okay.
We'll basically just fish it up over the top there, so I'll probably try to cut it as close as I can to this clamp. I think that'll give us the best. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind.
Pumpkin head. I always thought that's what it was when I was a kid.
People had, you know, like when they're having a baby, they do the, ginger exhaust, it's called. This guy had a Mustang, and the smoke that came out of his tires.
It might not fucking.
Nope, that's okay, because I gotta take this hanger off up here. Then I gotta remove your V-band, and hopefully I'll just be able to take this center pipe and just kind of twist it off of this.
Okay.
Hopefully you weren't trying to sell this thing, I don't think anyone's gonna want it. That bolt wasn't even that tight. Oh, I could have taken that off by hand.
Oh, that's good or bad?
Baby, just break. No.
Nice.
Now that should slip on out of there. Can give you that here, I'm sure. Hell no.
So we got the old exhaust off. Andrew's gonna fire it up without any exhaust at all. This will be interesting.
You're gonna see how shitty it sounds.
Incoming tractor sounds.
Light.
Not that bad.
It's not.
It's very quiet. Come on, rev it up.
I'll give it a little bit, yeah.
Actually sounds kind of
That sounds fucking good.
It sounds really good, actually.
Alright, okay, well this hanger doesn't quite line up. Looks like, no, it's gotta go, wait. Yeah, it's gotta go this way. Well then, what in the fuck? I mean, it's got
Is the clamp still on? Yeah, the clamp's there. Okay.
Apply penetrating lubricant to all exhaust fasteners. There's one. Those are useless. It literally just says put it in. No shit. No shit, guys. Oh wait, oh wait, oh wait, hold on. Oh, I got it.
Oh, this is like got up to help.
E for effort. We need a little connector piece for these two, and a couple of clamps. Wait, what's this? Why is there a bolt hole here? Oh, you know what? Wait, I think this goes. No.
We'll have to look at the instructions.
Yeah, let's see where that is. This goes here. Oh, probably need clamps too, Mark.
Oh yeah. There must
Go on this side like that. Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is supposed to clamp onto this like so. Who needs lube? Okay. Okay. Alright. Everything's loose, mocked up.
Boy, there's some fat ass tips.
I know, right?
That fucker's tighter than shit. Alright.
Oh yeah.
They all lined up and good.
That looks so good.
Know how finicky this exhaust is. Touch the wrong thing and it moves. I'm not thinking it did, but yeah, it did. It's a very, very, very small leak under here. Honestly, it might seal itself up once it heats up. Yeah, I don't know how loud it's going to be. That's not even...
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy,